These Boine Tail Lights are designed specifically for late 2015 through 2017 Ford F-150 trucks, so the fit and body lines match the original housings very closely. The included bulbs and reflective design give strong, even illumination for brake and running lights, which improves rear visibility in night driving and bad weather. The housings feel solid and well sealed, helping to resist moisture intrusion and road debris that often cause early failure in cheaper replacements. Installation is straightforward with a plug-and-play connection that reuses the factory mounting points, so a careful, do-it-yourself owner can swap them in with basic hand tools. Both driver and passenger side assemblies come in the box with bulbs already installed, making this a complete solution rather than a mix-and-match repair. Overall, these lights offer an original equipment-style look with dependable brightness and build quality that suits a daily driven Ford F-150.